Welcome to yet another RobotStudio tutorial. In this tutorial, we will commit changes in our cloud project from the browser and get changes in desktop. So, let's get started. Type in robotstudio.abb.com in the browser and log in using your credentials. After a successful sign-in, open the project that we need to modify. We can see that our station layout, targets and instructions are visible. If we select any instruction in the Rapid Editor, it gets highlighted in the 3D environment. Also, the Properties pane displays information about the target, position and rotation values along with arguments like speed, zone, tool and work object. We can modify the arguments of the instructions using the Properties pane. We can also select the target in the 3D environment and change the position and orientation of it. The 3D gizmo is visible when the target is selected. You can select the X, Y, or Z axis and drag the target to its new position. The selected direction should be highlighted. You can also reorient the target. The selected axis would show a complete circle when you select the sphere on the arcs. Let me move the target along the Z axis and reorient it along the Y axis. Similarly, we can reposition or reorient any target in the 3D environment, used in the instructions. Now, let's modify some of the arguments for the instructions in the Rapid code. We can now put the program pointer to cursor and play the simulation. Awesome! The simulation runs successfully. We can modify the robot tool orientation at the targets. We can select the targets in the 3D environment and rotate them along the Z-axis. Now, if we play the simulation, we can see that the robot tool orientation is now modified. Great! We can see the cycle time function under Program. Play the simulation and the cycle time is displayed. We can use the functions like breakpoints and step in to debug our Rapid code before we commit any changes. We can edit the main procedure by adding our path. We can now play the simulation by putting the program pointer to main in all tasks. Click on Commit. Write a commit message and any additional comments. Click on Commit Changes. We can see the message of our commit saved successfully. If we launch RobotStudio and open the respective cloud project, we can see a window for Get Changes. This is to make your local copy of the branch up to date with the latest version from RobotStudio Cloud. We can see that Module 1 has been edited. We can click on Get Changes and the virtual controller will be restored with the latest changes. We can verify the changes in the rapid code. For them to be visible in the station, we can synchronize the changes to station. Run the simulation and it works as expected. Awesome! So, in this tutorial we committed changes in our cloud project and got changes in desktop. Thank you for your time, and for more tutorials and information like this, visit our webpage, robotstudio.abb.com.